Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE gallon door bin part #WR71X11044. The GE gallon door bin part #WR71X11044 is a replacement part for GE refrigerators. It is a white plastic bin that fits into the door of the refrigerator and is used to store items such as condiments, sauces, and other small items. The bin has a capacity of 1 gallon and measures approximately 14 inches wide by 6 inches deep. It has an adjustable shelf that can be moved up or down to accommodate different sized items. The bin also features a handle for easy removal and installation. This part is compatible with many GE refrigerator models, including This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or broken gallon door bin on a refrigerator. It can fix symptoms such as the door bin not staying in place, the bin being cracked or broken, or the bin not fitting properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the door bin to the door. 3. Slide out the old door bin and discard it. 4. Place the new door bin in place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Plug in your refrigerator and test to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.